When your star employee quits, they don't just leave with their laptop, they walk out with half a decade of knowing how things actually get done. Unless you can get them to create a handover doc in their last 48 hours, that treasure trove of organizational knowledge is just gone. If you still think that a messy shared drive can wait, I've got news. Knowledge workers spend 60% of their time hunting down information instead of actually using it, and lost corporate knowledge can cost you 2.5 times a manager's annual salary. I don't even need to talk about the cost of all the wrong decisions rooted in incomplete or outdated information. Thankfully, you can skip all that hassle starting now by building an AI knowledge base. In this video, I'll show you how. What's an AI knowledge base, you ask? It's like any other knowledge base, a centralized hub of your org's information. The only difference, it's smart enough to answer your questions in plain language, surface the right docs based on your role and context, and even update automatically by pulling in data from your everyday tools. Building one doesn't take a PhD. All it takes is 4 steps. Let's dive in. For step 1, you need to ask yourself, what's your knowledge base actually supposed to accomplish? Are you trying to slash customer support response times, speed up employee onboarding, or create a self-service portal so your team stops playing human Google? Define it clearly. If it helps, focus on high-impact areas first. FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and onboarding docs. Think of it like organizing your closet. Start with what you actually wear, not that sweater from 2019 you'll definitely use someday. Step 2 is to choose the right AI software and model. You want something that doesn't just store information, but actually understands it. Take ClickUp Brain, for example, as the planet's most powerful context-aware AI. It's not just scanning your docs, it's connecting the dots across your entire workspace. It has access to the data in your tasks, documents, chat conversations, and even your connected apps like Slack and Google Drive. Ask it a question and it doesn't just give you an answer. It shows you exactly where that answer came from, so you can verify that it's legit. But wait, there's more. ClickUp Brain can write polished documents based on your company knowledge, summarize lengthy task reports, turn your chat messages into actionable tasks, and search across your entire digital workspace with enterprise-grade AI search. It's your always-on research assistant with a photographic memory. Yes, I totally mean it. No matter which AI tool you choose, it's only as powerful as the data you feed it. And trust me when I say this, your data is only as powerful as your organizational skills, because raw data is just digital clutter. I know what you're thinking. Clark, how do I organize tens of thousands of pages? Start small and start with a template so you're not wondering where to put what. ClickUp's knowledge base template is a great tool. It's got pre-built sections for onboarding docs, how-to guides, video tutorials, community resources, and more. Plus, you can always delete some and add your own. As a best practice, create clear categories for information. Use tags religiously. In short, just make everything as searchable as possible so your AI can find it 10 times faster. And here's a pro tip. Use ClickUp Docs to build your knowledge base docs. You can add nested pages, rich visual and text formatting, and even media like videos and images. Because let's be honest, a wall of text helps nobody. Make it scannable, make it clear, make it actually useful. We've got the AI, we've got the data. In step 4, let's bring them together with some much needed training. To make it helpful, train your AI tool on real examples. It's the actual language your customers and team members use. Let's say your support team constantly gets questions about returns. You can train your AI to answer multiple variations such as, how do I send this back? Or what's your return policy? Or I want my money back. The more specific you get, the better your AI gets. To monitor the usefulness of your knowledge base, schedule regular reviews, track accuracy, response times, and satisfaction scores, ClickUp's recurring tasks will make sure you don't forget this final step. So that was how to build your AI knowledge base. With it in place, everyone on your team will start saving at least an hour every day. The next generation of AI knowledge bases won't just answer questions, they'll predict what you need before you ask. Support can solve customer issues faster by retrieving answers via AI. Sales teams are always updated on the latest product features with enterprise search. And instead of your HR answering, how do I request time off? For the millionth time, you can probably build an AI agent to do it for them. With ClickUp's enterprise search connecting information across all your tools and autopilot agents processing it intelligently, that future isn't some distant possibility. It's available right now. And you can leverage it to do the work that actually matters. Ready to stop losing time and talent searching for information? Start using ClickUp for free. Sign up on ClickUp.com.